3507, visual runway 18 left.
Onboard 3507, Cincinnati Tower, winds 19011, runway 18 left, clear to land.
Alright, runway 18 left, clear to land, onboard 3507.
Onboard 3507, next right turn, taxi north on Tango.
Alright, next right turn, taxi north on Tango, onboard 3507.
Onboard 3507, you do me a favor?
Yeah, go ahead for onboard 3507.
Can you pass along a message to my daughter? Her name's Peyton. Tell her I'm glad she's home, but she still needs to clean her room.
Alright, and what's your daughter's name again for onboard 3507?
Peyton. P-A-Y-T-O-N.
Peyton for onboard 3507.
I appreciate it. It'll embarrass her a little bit.